Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm gonna do a video walkthrough of our 252 Yamaha SD. All right, so we're gonna get a nice outside shot of this boat. This is the 25-foot Yamaha, and it's got the drive in it. I'll show you that when we do get inside. It's got the nice white with the slate hull, slate blue hull, and then coming around the back, you got these really awesome, comfortable seats. And of course, that's unique to Yamaha, this hangout area. And then I'm gonna take you in the rest and show you the boat. Okay, so here we are in the bow of the boat. Big bow, very comfortable. And because it's Yamaha, this boat will come equipped with the bow filler cushions for this boat. The nice snap-in C-deck, flooring, nice detailed everything. We'll bring you on back through to the cabin part of the boat here. So at the helm, we got the huge Connect screen, phone charger, stereo controls here, and what makes this boat really cool is the drive. So you got the forward and reverse right on the steering wheel. Super great for control of this boat. Really, really cool feature. Comfortable big captain chairs. Really cool stitching. Nice detail on this boat everywhere. Big open area in the back. Nice walk through, which does have filler cushions if you want. Adjustable seats that can slide forward and back. Awesome boat. Collapsible tower. Come on out and check this boat out. It's a Yamaha 252SD. It's at our MarineMax store in Greenville. It's going to be online on our website, and you can call us at 864-236-9005.